Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a review on my Chanel mini rectangular flap, and I'll also be sharing with you some mod shots as well as what fits inside and different ways to wear this bag. If you're interested, please continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post weekly videos about luxury handbags, reviews, tips, advices, and so forth. If you're into that kind of video, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a review on my Chanel 21P mini rectangular flap, and this one is in lambskin leather and with the light gold hardware, and this one is in light pink. So it looked like a peach in person, and it's really pretty and I really love it. And so you know, this is my first mini rectangular as well as my first lambskin bag. And if you haven't watched the video where I did pre-treat this bag with Colonel Carbon Pro Spray, I'll put it up here so you'll see how I treat my bag before I actually use it. And the reason being is that so you won't have color transfer, especially this is a lighter bag which is prone to color transfer and all that. And I did treat my beige Claire jumbo also because it's a big bag, so it's very prone to color transfer from jeans and all that. Before I get into my review, let me just give you a quick overview about the Chanel mini flap. So let's start with shapes. So right now the mini flap comes in square as well as the rectangular, and the square retails for $3,800 and the rectangular retails for $4,000. And right now it is that price, but I know it can change in a few months. It might go up in price. So right now, as we speak in June of 2021, the price of this bag for the mini rectangular is $4,000 US. And also they just recently added a new design of the mini rectangular, which they added a top handle. And for the top handle, they added that in the 21S, which was the spring summer collection, and that was in caviar. So now let's talk about materials that the mini flap comes in. So right now, Chanel only make their mini flap in lambskin leather, as well as tweed and all the other material. But as far as leather, they only make it in lambskin leather. And the last caviar that they made in the mini flap was in 18B collection. So that was in 2018 fall winter Act 1 collection. That was the last caviar that they made for the mini flap, and since then it's been on the lambskin leather. And like the mini top handle rectangular, when they release it just this season, it's in caviar. However, on the 21A, which is the pre-fall moving forwards, I think they're gonna release it in lambskin. So if you miss this season or the spring summer caviar bag for the mini top handle, that was your chance. I don't know if they're gonna bring it back in the upcoming season, but as far as I know, that Chanel is only gonna make it in lambskin. I haven't heard of them having it in caviar again, but I really wish they would. But you know, right now it's only in lambskin. Of course, it comes in the other material as well, like the tweed, the raffia, and as you know, it comes in different colors, and it all depends on the season. So right, this one, it was in the 21P collection, which was the pre-spring summer. So this was on the 21P collection, and in different collection they will have different new colors, and it's not going to be always the same colors. So they will have seasonal color for their mini flap. So you just have to kind of watch what's coming and ask your sales advisor. And as you all know, the mini flap is really hard to get, and a lot of times, you know, you're just gonna have to reserve or ask your sales advisor if it comes in a particular color that you wanted it. These bags really go really fast. And so let me just give you a closer look for my mini flap, and I'll also give you like that I mentioned and all that. So let me just give you the detail. So this one, again, as I said, it's in lambskin. And for those of you that don't know, this is my first lambskin, and it is so luxurious. And it's just, you know, that is the big difference that I noticed with the lambskin and the Korean cow skin, or also what we call as caviar, is that how luxurious the lambskin is. It's really pretty, and it's very soft to touch, and it's really nice. So this one is in lambskin leather, and it has the light gold hardware. And let me just give you the closer look. And this is the side and the back of the bag and the bottom. And let me also give you the dimension. So the dimension for this bag is that it is 7.8 inches, and going down is 4.7 inches, and the depth is 2.3 inches. And the chain drop for this is 22 inches long. Let me show you. And I'm only 5'2", so this one will only work crossbody on my frame. So I had to get something to actually tie the strap inside, so I could wear it like a shoulder bag if I want to. And I'll show you all that later. Let me show you the inside of the bag. So it has a zipper on the inside. Let me show you. So it has a zipper here. And the authenticity card. So right now I still have the authenticity card. So this one is the 21P. So now let me share with you what fits in this bag. And even though this bag looks really small, but it does fit a whole lot, it is because it is not a double flap. And I'll also do a review in comparison to what fits in this bag versus my medium flap. So you'll have a comparison pretty much. So now let me show you what fits inside. So usually I carry with me my wallet. So I have my Chanel wallet or a card holder. Let me show you the inside, and it's quite roomy when you see. And then I'll also put my keys on my key clay. So I'll put that one here, and my phone. I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'll put that here. Let's see. And then my hand sanitizer, because we always need that right now. And then my AirPods. So let me show that and see. So as you can see, it fits nicely. It's not too tight, because I don't want to really overstuff my bags. And I really would advise that you don't overstuff your bags so it won't lose its shape. And let me share with you how it looks with all that inside there. So as you can see, even though it's small, but it does fit a lot. My iPhone 12 Pro Max fits in the bag, and that's actually one of my requirements when I get a bag. I want something that fits a bigger phone, because I do like my bigger phone. So yeah, so that's, you know, how it looks with the bag being full with all the stuff that I put inside. And you know, make sure that you never overstuff your bags. And I don't use a Zomoni or any kind of bag organizer on a smaller bags, because it just give it smaller space. So I rather put like something like my key, I put it in a key clay, so in that way, you know, it doesn't scratch the bag. I forgot to mention that the inside of the mini flap is in leather. So it's all leather, you know, everywhere. So yeah, so I really like it, and I really think that you will like the mini flap. And for the price point, it's a great price. And you know, also it comes in different, it comes in the quilts, and I also see that it comes in the chevron pattern. So it does come in different pattern. So you know, it's a very popular size. I think it's because of the price as well. So if you're interested in the mini flap, then contact your sales advisor or visit a boutique and see what they have available. So now let me share with you different ways on how to wear this bag. And I can wear it crossbody as well as shoulder bag. And I got this little thing here from Amazon, and what it does is that it actually shorten your chain strap, and I'll show you the exact way on how I do it. My final thoughts on the mini rectangular is that I really highly recommend this bag. For the price point, for $4,000, it's really worth it if you want something classic and you're not ready to shed like almost $8,000 for a medium classic flap, then you might want to start with a mini rectangular or square flap, you know, whichever you want. I prefer this versus the top handle because the top handle you can't adjust the bag, but with this one you have different ways to carry this bag, and I really like it. And I'm looking forward to add more colors in the future, maybe not anytime soon, but in the future I'm looking forward to add more colors. And I like this bag because you could dress it up, dress it down, you could wear it day and night, and it worked perfectly. And so yeah, I'm really loving my mini rectangular so far, and I highly recommend it. If you want to get it, go for it. Contact your sales advisor, look at Pre-Loved Market, and you won't regret as far as adding one in your collection. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question whatsoever, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and I'll see you soon.